Back to the Chesapeake Search Dog YouTube channel and the playlist for SARTopo, SARTopo101. Today we're going to talk about some of the things you can do with the measuring tool, which is also found up here at the top of your browser. If you hover over it, you'll see there's a series of things that you can do and a lot of information it can provide you with. The first one is pretty easy, position and elevation. So anywhere you click on the map, it will give you your coordinates, elevation, all kinds of great things in every single format you could ever want. The next one up here, which could be important, is also parcel information. Say you're on a search or getting ready to head out to a sector and you want to know, okay, is this private land or public land? And if so, who owns it? You can click on that. It'll tell you pretty quickly, this is public land, so it's okay. The next thing that you might want to look at is measuring distance or taking a bearing. Measuring distance will simply just tell you the distance, but if you take the bearing, not only will it tell you the bearing, it will also tell you the distance. So I prefer to use this tool. So say you're doing land nav, you want to take a distance and bearing between 2 points. The first thing you're going to want to do is go over here to the snap tool. And you want to go down and you usually want to snap that to one of these components here. Lines can be a pretty easy one, or none sometimes if you think you want to be pretty accurate. We'll just go with none for now. So we want to go to N to C. Sometimes you have to double click. It'll tell you both the bearing in terms of true and magnetic. It'll give you the distance in both meters or kilometers in this instance, so be mindful of that, and in miles. Lastly, you can also measure areas if you want to measure an area that's not already pre-drawn for you. And it can also give you some other information, profiles, terrain statistics, and so on and so forth. Hopefully that's helpful for you for now. We can go over some of these other things in subsequent videos. Leave comments below if you want to learn more. Thanks.